Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 20th July. And first of all, national news. Next pandemic will come. Only a question of when. World Bank chief. India ranks 80th on list with 57 countries that give on arrival visa to Indians. Election Commission started 3-day public hearing on Assam's controversial delimitation draft. Odisha facing constant neglect, equidistant. Naveen Patnaik hit out at centre. Delhi Lieutenant Governor Arvind Kejriwal discussed appointment of power regulator chief. India has sought to capitalize on the global lean away from China. And BJP demanded CBI probe in Rajasthan paper leak case, stage assembly walkout. Data protection bill among 31 legislations to be listed in monsoon session. Now some international news. Pakistan's passport is 4th worst in the world, a report said. Imran Khan to face charges for exposing official secrets, Pakistan minister. Rishi Sunak apologized for horrific abuse of LGBT community in army. Putin to skip BRICS summit in South Africa amid arrest threat. Pakistan ex-PM Imran Khan's bail in 3 cases extended till July 26, a report said. UN Security Council held first meeting on artificial intelligence, highlights urgent need for global regulation. IMF said Russia exit from grain deal, risk adding to global food inflation. Now some sports news. India will take on Pakistan in the Asia Cup 2023 on September 2 at Kandy in Sri Lanka. No plans to host 2026 Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad, Gujarat government. The Asia Cup 2023 will begin on August 30. Ahead of the second test, Virat Kohli caught up with West Indies batting great Brian Lara. Rohit Sharma backed Ishan Kishan over KS Bharat in first test. ACC President Jay Shah announced the schedule of the Asia Cup 2023 on Wednesday. Rohit Sharma re-entered top 10 batters list. Ravi Chandran Ashwin consolidates top spot. Bayern Munich signed defender Kim Min-jae from Napoli. And Lionel Messi begin MLS journey. David Beckham said he'll need time to adapt. Now news related to business. Bull run continues. Sensex ended above 67,000 mark. Nifty peaked at 19,833. Tata Group to invest over $5 billion in UK electric battery factory. Sensex Nifty dream run continues as both touch all-time highs. And Asian Development Bank kept India's growth forecast unchanged at 6.4%. Now let's have a look on weather. Beijing swelters in extreme heat over 35 degrees recorded for 4 weeks. Health warnings across continents as heat wave drive wildfires. Record-breaking heat waves across the northern hemisphere have again sparked concern about the danger. And that's all in news. Thank you.